Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Bitpanda. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language in Bitpanda, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in bitpanda.com and make a search. The official page of Bitpanda will appear on the screen. Log into your Bitpanda's account if you are not logged in, and the home page of Bitpanda will appear on the screen. Click on Panda icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop down option, click on My Account and scroll all the way down. Under Language Settings, choose your preferred language and tap on it. This is how you can change language in Bitpanda quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.